Forex Nelson is back with another trade. This time I'm selling the pound yen. Just did 6 lots on the pound yen. 1 minute before the news. I just put it in. The news is right here. I'll show you. 1 minute before the news. Pound, bank rates, these 3. High impact news. And the pip trigger is showing me we're going down. That's what I like about the pip trigger. It tells me. I have a 20 pip, let me see. I gotta see if I can adjust that a little bit more. Okay, the news is coming in now. I have a 20 pip stop here. 20 pips. And I put this a lot more, just in case it takes off. 45, 46 pips. Did 6 lots. We shall see what happens here. Pip trigger in advance telling me to go down. Two lines have crossed right here, the green dot and this line right here. They crossed 5 minutes before the news, telling me it's going down. Everything red here. Can count any one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Green line going down below the 0. Red here. There's 6 triggers or alarms down here. Struggling a little bit trying to get through here. We got some support here and back here. We shall see. I already got my daily quota, which is anywhere from $300 to $1,000. Just got to keep an eye on it. See what happened with the news over here. Let me refresh the page for the pound. When you see this, you have to refresh it again. It's equal. Nothing there. Equal. This looks like it's not going to be moving a lot. Everything is equal here. Not good for going a lot. Look at this. Everything is equal. From the forecast to the actual. Everything is equal. So we go back to the charts. Knowing that factor. Being equal, that means no really strong pressure for down or up. That's why it's struggling. Maybe one more little bit of a push down. I'll monitor it a little bit. Could be good enough for going down a little bit, but don't expect a lot. I'm not expecting a lot. If it breaks the bottom, then it'll continue to go down more. I just got to be a little bit patient. If it continues down, I'll stay in the trade. But if it starts to go back too much, I'll just close the trade. Looks like it's breaking through. I'm going to give it a little bit more. Don't want to get kicked out too soon. I can, one click of a button down here, I can close the trade quite easily. Fear and greed when you're dealing with these trades. I'm still trying to break this over here. Still have my 20 pip stop. Can always readjust that to about here. This way here. Get rid of too much risk in here. It's only 7 pips. I'm not expecting it to go back super fast. Shall see what happens. It's still struggling here. I want to keep the video not too long, so 5 minutes, 7 minutes. I'm already at over 5 minutes now. I might just close the trade, one more push down. But everything is still looking good for going down. Lots of red. I was right at the center point here. It's more tricky when it's right here. But as long as the indicators are looking good down here, high possibility of going down. Which it did do, by the way. Did go down. I'm just going to call it a day. Let's see what's happening over here. Very easy. Little X down here. You can just shut it down. And there you go. I closed the trade. Ended up with 1,043. So I'm very happy with that. I got in right here. This little cursor. I did have a 20 pip stop, which was around here, right this area. I tightened it up to -7 pips. Ended up with 19 or 20 pips, approximately. On the pound yen, 6 lots, following the news. As I said, everything was red here, 6 alarms. Had the arrow 7. Below the trigger line, right here on this candle, 5 minutes before the news. This was the news. 5 minutes before, below the trigger. So that's 8 below the trigger line. Oh, that's more than 5 triggers. And lots of red down here. So high probability of going down. Took the trade, and I'm very happy. So what was that? 6, 7, 8, at least 8 alarms. This line was flickering between blue and red. But anyhow, it's having a hard time breaking these support levels here and here. The news is not strong one way or the other. If it was strong for negative or red, this would have broke through very easily and give 30, 40, 50 pips, within 5 to 10 minutes. It would have just continued to go down. Anyhow, if you are interested in the pip trigger, and the pip trigger proved successful today. This was a 7 o'clock pound news. At 8:30 we have dollar news. Let's run a check on that right here. 7 o'clock in here. Nothing strong about it, even though it says high impact here. But right here, core retail sales, these two right here, this will move the market at 8:30. And I'm really gonna work on trading this news, which is another hour and 22 minutes away. So anyhow, if you're interested in the pip trigger, and if you like my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It encourages me to do more trades. I trade every day, but only try to do one video a week. But if I get more people interested, I will do more videos showing how the pip trigger works. And if you want to see how it works, I can do privately through screen sharing, through Skype. Skype me, do the Skype contact. I will accept you, and I will show you a lot more in detail how I trade. And if you're interested, I can give you the pip trigger and show you how you can get the pip trigger. Okay, until the next trade, hopefully at 8:30, Good luck trading, and we'll talk again soon. Bye for now.